Hey, what's going on guys? This is Cesar, and on this video I'm going to show you how to do a research before starting to promote an affiliate product. And for that we are going to go to clickbank.com, and this is the marketplace. So we have here a variety of categories that we can promote, and for this video I'm going to choose the home and garden, animal care, pets. And you can see the screen, these are all the products that we can promote from ClickBank in the pet niche. So if you can see, brain training for dogs, doggy dance online, dog trainer, can spraying no more, secrets to dog training. So my keyword is going to be dog training. And for example guys, if you have a product and you have an audience of people that you can show them the product, maybe you can make some sales. And basically that is the research that I'm gonna do right now. So I'm going to go to Google Trends, and you can see I put here the keyword dog training, and you can see in the chart that the interest in this period of time is roughly 75%. So you can see people are searching for this keyword dog training in the United States. So right now guys, I'm going to go to Google Ads, and I put here the keyword dog training, and as you can see, Google Ads show me that the searches per month are roughly 2 millions of all those keywords. So what am I gonna do right now guys is I'm going to download these keywords in a CSV file. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to upload that file here. Open. I'm going to upload it here. I'm going to open this. So you can see in the screen we have all here the keywords. I'm going to delete these columns, and basically I'm going to work with the average monthly searches and the competition. So we're going to filter this one. So I'm going to filter by competition, and I'm interested in love and medium, so we're going to uncheck this, and right now we have all the competition love and medium. So right now I'm going to order this for the maximum average monthly searches, and you can see I have all these keywords in low to medium competition with the maximum searches per month. So right now I'm going to do some math. I'm going to first I'm going to add a column right now I'm going to go below and I'm going to zoom all these keywords. Okay, this is the I need to C4. What happened? Okay, I'm going to delete this. We're going to okay, excellent. And roughly we have 2 million of searches. So right now I'm going to calculate the percentage of every keyword with this formula. Okay, let me see. Right now I'm going to put the filter. I have a filter so I can order for put the maximum search and Okay, nice. I have the percentage and I am interested, guys. You can see I have here the keywords. So I am interested in in the 50% of the keywords. So you can see if I choose from the keyword dog training near me, so the Petco dog training, I have roughly the 50% of approximately 2 million searches per month. So you can see I can use basically these 23 keywords to run my Google search ad in the Google platform. So as you can see, guys, this is the research that you can do before start promoting a product. You need to find if first you have an audience. So we have right now that people are searching for this term. So we can go to Google Ads and search for the value of the searches for the maximum searches per month with these keywords, and we can run a Google search ad with these keywords, so to start sending traffic to a landing page. And I suggest that if you don't have a software to make a landing page, I'm using the GetResponse. So I have made this landing page to collect leads for the dog niche pet training. So you can see here, this is the top strategies for training your dog. Put your best information below and download a free ebook. And well, when people put here their names and email address and click here and download, they are going to go, let me show you this page. They're going to go to the thank you page, and they need to click here to download the ebook. And if they click here, they are going to go to my hub link from this product. And that's it, guys. If you have any question below, you can ask me in the comments, and I will be glad to respond to those questions to help you in your journey. So talk to you soon, guys. Bye.